Hello everyone. The topic for today is big data analytics for healthcare recommendation systems. Healthcare industry is an indispensable entity in the real world where large volumes of data is accumulated from time to time. Data in healthcare industry is rich in useful information. However, a comprehensive big data approach is essential to mine the data and acquire business intelligence. With the emergence of cloud computing, big data analytics has become a reality. Distributed programming frameworks like Hadoop and Spark are available with associated distributed file system DFS to manage big data. A typical recommender system is in healthcare industry is supposed to produce recommendations in various aspects of the domain. This paper throws light into different recommenders in healthcare domain that use big data analytics to generate recommendations. Introduction. Big data analytics has become an important area of research that contributes to have huge impact on different industries where business intelligence is to be derived from mass amounts of data. Big data analytics is associated with machine learning and artificial intelligence. In a big data analytics based recommender system is based on collaborative filtering technique. They explore different filtering techniques like content-based filtering, collaborative-based filtering, and hybrid filtering techniques. Their health recommendation system is based on classification and feature selection. A typical healthcare recommender system is associated with the components as illustrated in the figure shown below. As presented in the figure, there are many stakeholders associated with healthcare recommender system. They include hospitals, medical clinics, patient records, medical researchers, patients, doctors, and community health staff. Need for big data and recommender systems in healthcare industry. In the distributed computing environments, it is possible that big data is streamed and such data needs to be processed for acquiring business intelligence. The big data analytic needs a comprehensive approach that considers all kinds of data such as structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. When complete data is considered for mining or analytics, it is possible that the machine learning models produce required information for making well-informed decisions. If big data is not considered, the results may not reflect full truth. Since healthcare industry is largely associated with big data, it is indispensable to have distributed programming frameworks used to generate recommendations for stakeholders of healthcare domain. Recommender systems with big data analytics. There are many recommender systems found in the literature. They use different techniques for providing healthcare recommendations. Here are some of the most important systems reviewed to have useful insights. First, intelligence based healthcare recommender system. Privacy preserving collaborative filtering for health recommendations. Hybrid recommender system, and the last, smart recommender system. Intelligence based health recommender system. Intelligence based approach is followed for healthcare recommendations. They explore different phases found in recommender systems. The phases include information collection, learning, and prediction. The last phase gives feedback to the first phase to have a life cycle of phases. There are different techniques used for recommender systems. They are also known as content based filtering, collaborative filtering, and hybrid filtering. The collaborative filtering may be user-based or item-based or both of them. At the same time, the collaborative filtering is model-based depending on different machine learning techniques like neural networks, Bayesian networks, association techniques, and clustering techniques. Privacy-preserving collaborative filtering for healthcare recommendations. Core proposed a recommender system in healthcare domain that preserved privacy. Collaborative filtering is the method employed for generating recommendations. Their method is known as Privacy Preserving Collaborative Filtering, PPCF. This system provides recommendations and also ensures that the privacy is not lost. It supports patient oriented decision making. It employs the concept of arbitrary distributed data, ADD, associated with healthcare services with collaborative filtering. It overcomes different issues like legal, financial, and privacy. It has less performance over the method. However, it provides privacy to big data analytics that is missing in other recommenders. Next, hybrid recommender system. The hybrid approach is the combination of multiple kernel learning, MKL, and adaptive neurofuzzy interference system, ANFIS. There are different layers of ANFIS model. The layers take care of membership grades, strength of rules, firing strength, normalization, function computations, and aggregation of outputs. As presented in ANFIS model, the prediction results are obtained in the form of recommendations in the healthcare domain. It also uses MKL in order to ensure that there is hybrid approach that improves accuracy of healthcare recommendations. The ANFIS system is appear as follows. The last, the smart recommender system. Noah proposed a smart recommender system in healthcare domain. They used multiple learning methods with a hybrid approach. They used many learning algorithms to form a filtering approach to generate recommendations. Their methods include usage of collaborative and content-based filtering, usage of context of users and dynamic filtering, usage of individual profiles and generating feedback loops. They provide recommendations related to human well-being. The recommender system considers food and user profiles, content functions, inference functions, data transformation, and result processing. They observed that combinations of models could improve performance. Their method improved precision. However, it has certain limitations such as cold start problem, limited customization, and inability to consider hidden factors. Research gaps. The recommendation system proposed has certain drawbacks. First, the collaborative filtering algorithm suffers from scalability problem when number items or users are increased. Second, there is the cold start problem when there is less data about a doctor or patient in the system to generate meaningful recommendations. Third, there is synonym issue where there are many items with very similar or same items with different entities or name. The recommender system has limitations such as cold start problem. It could be improved with deep learning methods. Moving on to the conclusions and future work. In this paper, different recommender systems in healthcare domain based on big data analytics are examined. It is understood that there are different techniques for generating recommendations. They include content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, and hybrid filtering. The collaborative filtering may be memory-based or model-based. In this paper, we investigated on some of the important recommender systems with underlying merits and demerits. We also performed experiments based on the prior works. In future, we intend to focus on them for improving the state of the art. Here you can see the references for the research paper. Thank you.